Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll be discussing how to write, compile and run a Java program from the CMD or the command prompt. But before that we need to have few of the prerequisites that needs to be fulfilled. For example, number one, any text editor such as Notepad, Notepad++, etc. And number two is the JDK Java Development Kit for execution and running the program. Okay, so straight away we'll be opening up an text editor, okay, and open up an instance of it and write a Java program. So in our case, we'll open up an instance of Notepad and we'll be typing class followed by the class name. For example, here in our case it's test, and we'll do a public static void main passing string of args. Okay, and after that again we'll be opening up curly braces and we'll do system.out.println to display a text or character. For example, in our case we'll do system.out.println followed by the text. So the text here we're passing is welcome to the programming world. Okay, after that we won't be passing the end of the statement, that is semicolon, so that we can debug it at a later stage of time, and we'll see how to do that while running and executing the Java file. Okay, so we'll close the curly braces. Again, we'll close the curly braces, and once that has been done, you go to the file, put save as. I'm saving it on my desktop. Okay, and you have to keep save as type as all the files and file name as whatever the class name we have provided. We have to provide the same test dot with an extension of .java and just save it. Once that has been done, the next step is, okay, the next step would be this setup of JDK, it's a Java Development Kit. So there are two ways to set up. One is the temporary way using the set path variable, and the permanent way using environment variable. The second, that is the permanent one, we'll be seeing at a later stage. For now, we'll go to the directory where the JDK is being installed. So in my case, it's C. Okay, C, go to program files, go to the Java folder, go to the JDK and go till bin directory and take the path, copy it and go to the command prompt and type set path equals to the path, whatever we have copied, and paste it over here. Okay, that has been done. Hit on enter and you can see the set path has been set up. Once that has been done, the next step would be Java C, that is the Java compilation of the source code. Okay, so it's basically compilation of the source code. So how we have to do is just type Java C followed by whatever the Java file name we have created is test dot an extension of Java. But in our case, we'll get an error because we have not, put the semicolon or the end of statement, and the exception will be displayed on the console. Okay, so you can see we have not given the end of the statement and it's showing one error. So what we can do, we can go to the test file again and just type on semicolon and save it again. Okay, so once that has been done, the next step is, again we'll try to compile the Java source code using Java C. So test.java. Okay, now we can see here one class file will get generated. Okay, see, the class file has been generated. If you go to the properties and check out what type of file is it, so it's basically a class file. So what it does, the Java C compiles the source code and converts it to a class file. Once the class file has been generated, the next step would be to execute the class file. For executing the class file, what we need to do, we have to type Java followed by the class name itself and hit on enter. The output will be displayed in the console.